We're so excited you're here. Security belongs in DevOps, whether you believe it fits squarely in the middle as DevSecOps or you believe it's ubiquitous and woven throughout your DevOps methodology. Either way, security is an integral part of creating software. As the NIST study showed many, many years ago, it's far cheaper to find and fix security vulnerabilities in Dev, but that's often easier said than done. Embedding it within your CI workflow has been a challenge for many. Traditional application security tools are not built for rapid iteration and empowering the developer. With GitLab, we do empower the developer to find and fix security flaws within their native workflow, while at the same time offering security pros visibility into application risk much earlier. By using GitLab, you can automatically scan all of your code as it's changed and manage remaining vulnerabilities more efficiently as your organization cranks up the velocity of its software factory throughput. I'm excited to share that we have a robust lineup for you today. First of all, Amy DeMartine with Forrester is going to share her view on the state of DevSecOps. The market's evolving, and you won't want to miss her thoughts on this. Joe Lusk with Mabel, one of our partners, will share how they've used GitLab to shift left on their quality testing using GitLab's CI review app for testing a running app earlier in development. Now, we realize that you may already be using your favorite security scanner, and yet you recognize that the key to success is getting those scan results to the developer early within their CI pipeline. So we've made it easier for our partners to integrate with GitLab. James Bratsis and Reese Arkins will share with you how Checkmarx and WhiteSource, respectively, have integrated their scanners into the GitLab merge request for the developer. WhiteSource has also made it easy for the security team to see scan results across projects by using GitLab Ultimate in the security dashboard. Now, if you have your favorite scanner and you'd like to see them integrate with GitLab, check out our partner integration page. It has detailed instructions on how to integrate for the best customer experience. Now, I'm sure you expect some cool new stuff from GitLab Commit, right? We don't want to disappoint. So David DeSanto and Sam Kerr will share how we are integrating our most recent technology acquisitions, PeachTech and Fuzzit, to bring fuzz testing capabilities to the mainstream. By automating and embedding fuzz testing within the CI workflow right alongside our other scanners like SAS, DAS, container and dependency scanning, developers will be able to find security flaws and logic flaws and more beyond those vulnerabilities that are known. Now, this addresses the case of you don't know what you don't know to test for. This could be a game changer for application security testing and will certainly be useful for testing APIs. Even better, the integration's already been done for the first few languages, so check out our release post and learn more. Next, after that, at GitLab, we want to help you not only shift left to find and fix vulnerabilities earlier, but we want you to help developers learn secure coding. Do your developers ever know about the actual exploits against applications they developed? Probably not, unless it was egregious. Our newest GitLab stage, called Defend, will help you monitor your cloud applications after deployment and not only provide insight back to the developer, but also provide the ability to block an attack. Philippe and Wayne, together with a customer, Nico Mesenhall, will show how our development platform can get everyone on the same page while better managing risks brought from new attack surfaces like Kubernetes. Last on the agenda, I'm going to show you how you can contribute to GitLab, find items on our roadmap that are most relevant to your interests, and more. Our tagline is everyone can contribute, but do you know how? I'll show you. Now, our speakers will be in the chat during their sessions and will likely be around for continued Q&A for much of the day. I'll also be there throughout much of the day in chat, and please engage with us there. Or you can reach me anytime at cblake@gitlab.com or cblake2000 on LinkedIn. Now, in addition to our sessions, be sure to check the schedule for the networking times also. Let's engage and keep this as real as we can when we're all stuck at home. We're so glad you're here. Thank you for coming. You belong here.